Great. So now you've achieved the first objective, calculate the derivative of a simple exponential function with a natural base. We're now start to work on calculating the derivatives of simple exponential functions, but with a constant base. Just like the example over here. Over here, you'll find that f of x is equal to 4 to the power of 3x power 3 plus 5x. So what's the difference between this one and the previous example? In the previous example, we had e to the power of something, whatever that might be. But there, in the first example here, and the one we're working on right now, the base of this exponential function is a constant, it's 4. So how do we derive those? So basically, to derive such a function, we'll do almost the exact same thing as we did when it was a natural base. We'll repeat the exponent, the entire thing as it is. And we will also multiply by the derivative of the power, which will become 9x squared plus 5. The only new thing here is that we multiply then by len the base, which is 4. Let's check another example. Probably you'll get it by then. Let's say you have f of x equals to 2 power 4x squared plus 3. How do we derive such a function? Again, we'll do the same thing. We'll repeat. I'm sorry, now this is f prime, by the way. So f prime of x now will become equal. We'll repeat the same thing as it is 4x squared plus 3. Then we'll multiply by the derivative of the power, which is 8x. Then we'll multiply by len the base, which is 2. Now, in order to get you into a better perspective and compare between the first example over here, this was the first example we solved, the first objective, and this is the second objective. Now, to compare between these two, I'll just derive this one very quickly, and I'll tell you we repeat the same thing as it is, and we will multiply by the derivative of the power, and that's it. So the new thing is that when the base is a constant, we have to then multiply by len the base. I think we'll have one question in mind, like why? Why can't we just here multiply by len the base, which is e? It's because len e is basically 1. So there's no need to write len e here. So again, when you have a constant base, you do the exact same thing as if you have a natural base. The only difference is that you then multiply by len the base. That's it. Try it for yourself.